Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
I joined JKP 3 years back when
Okay,
I
very
did.
nice.
Yeah, we did several
Yes, ma'am.
courses. We did speech course. We did ABA evaluation course. We did autism yoga.
So,
Then we
are you
did.
parent and professional?
I am a parent of a special
Okay,
child.
so what is your experience about these courses?
Experience about these courses is actually when my son got diagnosed, and I didn't know how and where should I start teaching him, like
Okay,
things to be independent. So I was blank. So then my friend actually recommended me to JKP Care Foundation. She told me, you go through these courses, you will understand from where you can start teaching your child. So when I joined the first course of speech evaluation, that time my son was not talking. He was
okay.
just blabbering. And then I remember, taking these courses and understanding as to how I can do oromotor exercise, how I can teach him to start, how I can teach him to, be individual in a play, role play and stuff. So these things helped me. Now my son is verbal. He's 10 years old.
Nice, ma'am.
And
Bilkul.
exactly. And then post which then once he was growing up, then he had some behavior issues. So
Okay.
then I was again like, how do I teach him to do this? Then we decided to join the ABA course. Then ma'am taught us how to deal with behaviors of children with special need. And then she taught us is to, shouting and hitting is not gonna work. You need to understanding why the behavior is coming. So that actually helped us. Then now my son is much more calmer. He's much more better when it comes to a 10-year-old, and then post which we did autism yoga. Now, with autism yoga, again, ma'am taught us so many different exercises that can ease his mind off, calm his mind off. Now he's going into his teenage. How do I handle him? So, in all these courses, these journey that I had with JKP Foundation, I thank them to teaching me so many things related to my son, because when I started off, I was like, I can do a therapy for my son, but I should learn his way. Why should he only learn the, normal way? I should learn to teach him. I should learn to teach him different methods of, how to be independent on himself, like, to take care of himself, whether I'm there, whether I'm not there with him. But he should
Yes,
become
ma'am.
an independent boy. So I can't appreciate much, but I would rather thank Alok sir for doing whatever he's doing for these children. And I'm really
So,
very
yes, thank
blessed.
you so much for your valuable feedback, ma'am. And last question from your side, like what message would you like to give to future participants?
Yeah, I would love to tell them that, if you're a parent, you want to know where to start your journey, you have to actually learn yourself first, then to teach your kid. You don't have to just jump to a conclusion of, I have to just teach my kid. No, that doesn't happen, because a therapy session is only for 45 minutes, but the child stays with you 24 by 7. So you're the best teacher for your child. So you need to teach yourself first, then teaching other kids. Same goes with therapists. Therapists have so many different children with them, but every children is different, is what JKP taught us. So learning
Yes,
and
ma'am.
understanding, each and every child with that method, they also have to go through this course because of, dealing with so many different kids and all. Most likely, I would like to say thank you, Alok sir, for giving us this platform to, join JKP, understand so many things. Earlier on, I used to just think that, the spectrum is just one phase. But when we joined this, we understood spectrum is big, it's vast. There are
Right, ma'am.
so many
Knowledge.
phases.
Yes, ma'am. So, thank you so much for your valuable feedback. I know we are glad to are connected with JKP Care Foundation. So, hope we will connect also in future also. And thank
Definitely,
you
sir.
so much.
Thank
Okay,
you.
ma'am. Yeah,
Thank you
thank
so
you.
much. Take care. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
thank you, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am.